Here today we are going to tell you that how to perform the hair spa or the hair treatment by the Tiggy copyright. And first of all, we need to wash the hair with the, we are using here the Tiggy copyright products, the repair shampoo. So first of all, you can see the hair are being washed, the shampoo is being done, and after that hairs are washed properly with the lukewarm water, and then they are dried using the towel. And after that the Tiggy base is mixed with the shine booster, repair booster, smooth booster, and a paste is being formed, is being made, and then this paste is being applied on the hair, and from the tip of the hair up to the scalp, and it's rinsed properly. Whole of the process has taken about 2 hours, and slowly all the hairs of the scalp are being applied with this solution, with this paste, and after that they were left for 20 minutes, and after that they were washed again by using simply plain water, and then they were dried by the hair dryer. 2 people were doing it simultaneously, and after that they were straightened a little bit, and the tangled hairs were removed, and you get hair shiny, silky, smooth hairs, and this will remain so for about 1 month. However, in the case of a spa, only they remains they silky for about 1 bath time, and after that they become as it is, as they were original. But here they remain static for about 1 month, as said by these persons. But we will see, and we will let you know what are their effect and the side effect later in the videos about this treatment. So watch out the complete video so as to learn more about the procedure, because it is of about 24 minutes. Anything you would like to add? Because I have spoken about 4 to 5 minutes, and the video is over. One important point is that whenever you wash your hairs by the shampoo, you must apply the hair conditioner, because that will seal up something which open after treatment with the shampoo. I don't know about it, but so this is how the hair spa also includes a little bit massage of the forehead. So thank you for giving your valuable time, and take care, keep smiling.